Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be sharing with you 4 things that I do to reduce fine lines and wrinkles under the neck. Okay, your decolletage. Okay, so before I begin, if you're new to my channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification button so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. I realized a couple of weeks ago that I had lines under my neck, and if you're anything like me, you've gotten to a certain age, all of a sudden you look in the mirror and realize, whoa, I've got lines under the neck. What do I do about them? First off, I have never really used moisturizer or anything on my neck. Just wash it, and that was pretty much it. I didn't realize all the things that I should be doing just to make sure that I don't have fine lines and wrinkles. Okay, so I do have some lines here. I do have some wrinkles. Some of this may be just natural from having a neck. Some of it, of course, for me is due to my weight gain. I feel like I have a little bit of fat around the neck, but beside that, you should not be neglecting your neck. You really do need to have a regimen for that. So I'm going to show you 4 things that I have been doing in the past couple of weeks, and a product that I've actually purchased. I did not know about it before, but I know about it now, and I'm going to share it with you, that I actually use around the neck, and I have noticed a difference from maybe 2 weeks ago. So the first thing that I do, and I've just gotten out of the shower, so I have no makeup on. I did not even put my moisturizer on because I figured I'd just do it in the front of the camera. So the first thing that I have been using, it's called L'Oreal Revitalift Derm Intensive. Okay, it has 1.5% pure hyaluronic acid serum. That's what this is. Okay, so I'm going to show it to you. Hopefully you can see it here. Okay, that's what it looks like, and I will leave it in the leave it in the description. Okay, so this is a serum. It has hyaluronic acid in it, and from what I understand, hyaluronic acid is something that we actually produce in our skin to begin with, and as we age, we can tend to lose that hyaluronic acid. So this is one way of adding that to our skin so that our skin will be a lot more plump, moisturized, supple. So I've been taking this and I've been putting just a little bit on my neckline like this. Now, usually when I go out in the day, I'm just going to go ahead and rub it in. Usually when I go out in the day, I only put it on my neck area. Now, I haven't really been using this on my chest area, but I think I will start doing that. Mostly I've been focusing on the neck, so I want to kind of rub that in. And okay, now this is another area that I am concerned about, but I don't really touch that during the day. I may do it at night, is my laugh line area. If you have the wrinkles up here, you may want to try it up here in the frown area and on the forehead, but I don't really put it there. I only put it here because I'm really concerned about my neck. So I have actually noticed a huge difference from 2 weeks ago when I actually was when I started using it, okay, which is before. Okay, so that's the first thing that I use is the serum. And now I'm talking, this is in the morning. You also want to do this in the evening when you've taken your shower as well. So you want to try that 2 times a day. Now in the morning, I actually use now I have normal, I don't want to say normal, maybe combination. I don't really have a whole lot of problems with my skin. So I do want to find something that is not going to clog my pores, is not going to be heavy on my face. And what I have been using for quite some time is Aveeno Positively Radiant Daily Moisturizer. Okay, there we go. I'll bring that a little bit closer so you can see it. Does this have a sunscreen in it? But yeah, it does. It has a sunscreen in it, SPF 15. So I've been wearing a sunscreen and didn't even know it, which is pretty cool because I didn't think I would want to use a sunscreen. So this is usually what I do in the mornings. Before I even put my makeup on, I usually will moisturize my skin, and I moisturize my skin every time I wash my skin. Okay, so morning when I take a shower, I'm moisturizing my skin. At night before I go to bed, I'm moisturizing my skin. If I should somehow come in and decide I need to wash my face, I'm definitely gonna put some moisturizer on it right afterwards, because once again, I do not like dry skin. It drives me crazy. Okay, so on my face, I definitely always have been doing that. That's been part of my regimen. But my decolletage, I have ignored. I've never paid any attention. It's not even there sometimes until these wrinkles started to come. Until I started to see some lines, then I said, oh, whoa, wait, we got to do something about this. So yes, you want to start putting the moisturizer on the skin. Okay, that's the second thing. Make sure that you moisturize your neck as well. Okay, so that you can prevent or at least okay, so one of the other things that I do is I like to massage my skin upward to make sure that I am working against gravity. Now, some people may disagree, but there is no way that I am going to rub my skin down. I don't care what anybody says. So, and you don't want to do this too vigorously either, because this skin under here, it's soft, it's delicate, it's not like the skin on your. So the last thing is to exercise your neck. Okay, that's the last thing I'm going to share with you on this. So the way you want to do that is you want to hold your head up so that it's stretching this area, and then you want to push your jaw protruded up. Now I would recommend doing maybe 3 sets of 4, maybe something like that. I wouldn't overwork the jaw. If you're starting to feel tired in the jaw, then stop. Just, a little bit of stretching up. I don't know that I want to go down so much as I want to stretch up, just to relieve that tech neck where you're always looking down and you're getting the crease. You want to look from right to left just to stretch the neck out. You may want to move your head from left to right. Okay, look left to right. Just anything to come. So just to recap, 4 things that you want to do. You want to first use your hyaluronic acid serum around your neck. You can also use it on your face as well. You want to make sure that you use your moisturizer. I use one in the morning, and this one I don't believe I showed you, but I do use one at night. You can choose your own that you're interested in. I use Age Perfect for mature skin, but I may change that as well. It's anti-sagging, even skin tone, hydrating moisturizer. So I only use this night cream at night just to give it more moisture, pump up the skin, and get it hydrated. Okay, and make sure that you do your massages and make sure that you do your exercises. So those are the 4 things that I do to help with to prevent, okay, or to even reduce fine lines and wrinkles. So that's it for me, and I guess I will see you in the next video. But please, once again, don't forget, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can see when I post again. Okay? All right, until then, have a good one.